Hello, welcome back to another DIY video. Before we get started on my Toyota Tacoma, this is the TRD off-road. We're going to be changing out the cabin filter. Before we get started, make sure you give me that thumbs up to help the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel in the bottom right hand corner, and we'll get started here in just a moment. So you actually will need no tools for this install right here. This is going to be the cabin filter I'm going with. That is the OEM brand. Part number is right there in the frame. No tools are needed. Passenger side. Well, I guess you need a flashlight if you're going to do this at night. And then it's right there in your glove box. Alright, so drop your glove box. Just get the stuff out of there. So I actually think this is going to be the best angle. Right there, slide up and remove. There's two tabs. There it is right there. Just kind of fits in there like a shelf. I'm going to pull this all the way out, show you what it looks like over here in the light. Alright, as gross as that is, I'm just going to get some of these leaves and everything out. Let me go get a vacuum cleaner real quick. Alright, so that right there is going to be the cabin filter. This is probably the original one, and before anyone says anything to me, I never changed it because I literally just bought this truck. So that's the dirty one. That is obviously the clean one. Size wise, everything looks the same, so I'm going to go ahead and get it reinstalled. I'm going to go ahead and wrap up the video. If you like it, thumbs up, subscribe. No tools needed for this cabin air filter change on your Tacoma.